Beneath the waves of the world's oceans lives a creature so strange, so intelligent, that some scientists compare it to an alien life form. With 3 hearts, blue blood, ... and 9 brains. Yes, 9. This is the octopus. And today, we're diving into the science behind this underwater genius. At first glance, the octopus might seem like just another sea creature. But watch how it moves, how it changes color, how it squeezes through impossibly small cracks. It's not just adapting, it's thinking. Here's the science: an octopus has one central brain, a donut-shaped mass wrapped around its esophagus. But in addition to that, it has 8 smaller brains, one in each arm. These are technically called ganglia, clusters of nerve cells that allow each limb to operate semi-independently. In fact, each arm can sense, taste, and move without needing permission from the main brain. In experiments, even disconnected arms have responded to stimuli showing that the mini brains are surprisingly autonomous. This strange brain system gives the octopus remarkable skills. They can open jars, navigate mazes, and solve complex problems. They're one of the few animals that show signs of observational learning, watching and copying others. Taking Keith, for example, an octopus who escaped from a New Zealand aquarium. He crawled out of his tank, crossed the floor, and vanished through a narrow drain pipe that led back to the ocean. No one taught him this. He figured, but problem solving isn't their only trick. Octopuses are masters of camouflage. The petal cells called chromatophores, allowing them to change color and texture almost instantly. Some species even mimic other animals like sea snakes or lionfish to scare predators. Here's the fascinating part. Humans evolved intelligence through social bonding, teamwork, and language. Octopuses? They're loners. Their intelligence evolved in a completely different way, through survival, problem-solving, and adaptability. But there's a twist. Despite all this brilliance, octopuses live short lives, often just 1 to 2 years. After mating, the male dies soon after. The female guards her eggs and slowly wastes away, never eating again. It's a tragic end for such a brilliant being. Today, scientists are only beginning to understand the full extent of octopus intelligence. Could studying them unlock new ideas in neuroscience, robotics, even artificial intelligence? Possibly. After all, the octopus represents an entirely different blueprint for a thinking, feeling creature. 9 brains, 3 hearts, blue blood. The octopus is proof that intelligence can evolve in ways we never imagined. And deep in the ocean, they continue to outsmart, outmaneuver, and outthink one limb at a time. Thanks for watching. If you're fascinated by the hidden genius of the ocean, hit that like button, subscribe, and join us for more deep dives into the wonders of nature.